to a story about an old farm girl. Friend folks said, girl, what you doing here? Down by the creek is where you need to be. So she loaded up her goats and moved down by the creek. Bluffs, that is. Waterfalls. Arrowheads. Well, the old girl thought on just what they said.